Welcome back. Continuing the news. It's been almost 2 months since 14-year-old Anna Shea Campbell died at Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine after giving birth. The baby is now home with the family, but as Jamaica Maitland reports, it's been a rough few weeks.
Christine Campbell tries to comfort her grandson, 7-week-old Zaire Thomas, with a warm bottle to stop him from fussing. She's now the caregiver of Zaire, more affectionately called Pepper. His mother, 14-year-old Anna Shea Campbell, died from labor-related complications at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine on December 10.
You know, looking down, you see your grandbaby. How does that make you feel?
Emotion is all over the place. It's joy. It's sadness because his mom is not here.
The baby, who was in the NICU, was released during the Christmas holiday. It was on the day the family had a gathering for his mother, her daughter.
It was joy and it was sadness because remember you're lighting candles for her and you're bringing home her baby on the same day.
Tightly hugging her favorite dress as if Anna were wearing it, her grandmother rocks to and fro as tears ran down her cheeks. The family says they were fighting with the reality of the painful loss when they were thrown again into shock days later on January 5, when Anna would have turned 15 years old.
We're struggling. We need some help. We need closure most of all because until Anna Shea's, we're not like you're gonna forget about, but you know the closure is getting some answers.
The Spanish Town Hospital says it has submitted a report relating to Anna's death to the Southeast Regional Health Authority. CEO Jacqueline Ellis says the post-mortem report, however, is handled by the Ministry of National Security's Forensic Unit. A highly placed police source told TVJ News that Anna's post-mortem is scheduled to be done in a few days. An agonizing wait, the family is now planning a funeral and a future for the baby, but they need help.
You know, when you're a person who is hard working, and then you have to get up and say Axel, because if Anna Shea didn't pass, nobody would know me. We would be doing this by ourselves. But because the funeral expense and me have to stay with the baby, it's hard for me to go out and look money like that. People are not understanding. You understand that I don't want to be begging, to be honest with you, but ask and it shall be given, seek, knock, and that's what I'm doing.
The child's father, a 15-year-old, and his family are also trying to be supportive. A Tyler by profession, Ms. Campbell says it's even more difficult because she can no longer work because of the baby. For anyone who wants to assist, you can contact Ms. Campbell at 801-1103 or you can donate to the family's financial account. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.